When sun-like stars run out of fuel for nuclear fusion in their cores, they begin to evolve, expanding first into a red giant star, and then shedding their outer layers to form a planetary nebula. Eventually the nebula disperses, and all that is left behind is an inert, but ultra-hot, core, which we call a white dwarf. The star's expansion sees the nearest planets swallowed up, but outer planets, asteroids, and comets can all survive, if they orbit far enough away. However, their orbits become disrupted, causing them to crash into each other or move too close to the white dwarf, where tidal forces rip them apart. Water-rich asteroids have even been seen vaporizing around white dwarfs. The debris from this planetary demolition derby can accumulate in a dusty ring around the white dwarf, perhaps corralled by surviving outer planets. Our solar system will suffer the same fate in about 5 billion years' time. When the sun dies, which planets will survive?